Since I'm still waiting for this seal to come in, what I'm going to do is go ahead and make sure that this gasket is lining up. I've already had to cut one of the holes in it there. So I just go and take my tray of imperial bolts and slowly make my way around it, making sure everything's lining up. And anything that's not, then I can cut the hole a little wider. And there's definitely off a bit, so yeah, I'll go and cut him with my blade and make sure that it lines up. So there is a new gasket for one of these covers, and you can see it's a bit questionable right in places. I had to cut two holes a little wider to try and get them to line up, as it can be very hard when you're pushing this cover on to get everything lined up. So what I'm going to do is, when I'm putting this on, is I'm actually going to put Indian head on whatever cover I use between that and the gasket, and actually have everything lined up with bolts first. Slowly and carefully take them out, and then when I go putting it up against the block, by right, everything should be lined up. Another job that I can be doing is, these are the timing cover nuts and bolts. I'm going to give them a good clean up with the drill. As you can see, this is all down to using silicone. So on with the wire brush, take one out, clean it and put it back in its place, and go right around the ring.